chickens. Oh my Lord, they're all in there. Y'all stay warm, huh? Too cold out here in the snow. Here. There you go. Since y'all don't want to go outside. At least I got plenty of space. Any eggs in there? How many we got? A few. Well, they cracked that one. There's a couple in there still laying. There's one in there laying. A few eggs. Morning, little chicken. I guess we'll start inside, Paul. So then you get to get your feet covered. Morning. All you little things. Here. Now dig in. Mr. Cock. Got staying out of cold. Smart thinking. Morning, girls. Y'all done ate this morning, ain't you? Y'all ready to eat one of those? Per usual. No, this is for the pigs. I can't get in there. No wonder they're dumb, huh? I hear you, I'm coming. Stay warm, huh? Here. Speak. There's the other one. Here, little pig. There you go. Where's the little one? Get out, bro. Out. Out. Jump. There you go. We're gonna take the missile. Watch out, Pearl. Good morning.
Hey, baby. What are you doing?
Hi, Mama. Alright. Just a second. Alright. Here you go. It's over here, Pa. Right here. It's in the bowl. Look. It's already in the bowl. Oh, man. Alright, let's get the second bowl. Huh? Here. Pick. Alright, you have it, bro. Where you just keep getting run off of it, huh?
They just all three trade places with each other.
They do. Musical bowls. What are you little pigeons doing?
The babies are in there.
Y'all doing good? You staying warm? Looks like it. They're hiding in there. Can't believe it. Eat up, Pearl. What are you girls doing? Huh? It's too cold to do anything, huh? We need to get y'all some more straw. Y'all keep wearing it down and eating it. Alright, well, we'll be back with some straw.
Minnie Pooh!
I don't think they're going to be very active today. No, they snowed in. They can't escape. Watch out, go. Watch out. Hey, get off of that. Down off of it. Alright, let's do the little piggy.
Oh, here they go.
Yep. That's good. That means I won't pile it on top. What's up, Mama? What else be enough for that one? We'll find some in here. Some of y'all might be wondering why it's shaking it up so bad. It's big to take care of that. I love playing with straw. You want me to pick one up? Think it's squid? Mama tried to get it. Ain't too bad. They get used to it.
This one's my favorite.
Yep, little boy and little girl. The only two. Kind of ironic. Pigs usually have like 9, 10. She had 2. First time mom, I guess. I'm getting them used to the straw. Yep. Y'all clean that feed up quick. Y'all still eating? Make sure I put this can in my pocket. You know, it's cold, but what's the wind man? Wind's up. Big really. Well, time to get some eggs. See if they're laid anymore down here. No, she might be working on one. It's pretty late though. There's plenty up here. All right, 3. $24. Someone took a big old poo on that one. Ew. I guess we'll take it. And then that should be 27. Any others? Any others sitting on some? Nope. I wish I'd stop sleeping in nesting boxes. None in there, none in there. Nope, that looks like all of them. All right, 27.